Here I have ESSENTIELB HeYou 60, and today I'm going to show you how to insert SIM card and SD card into this device. So for this operation you will need this kind of tool to eject the SIM card and SD card slot, which is located here. So to do this, you have to just put this tool inside the hole on the slot, like this. The slot will come out, and now we can insert our SD card right here and the SIM card here, and then put it back into your device just like this. And as you can see, it immediately requires the PIN code to my SIM card, which is to prove that SIM card is read. So let's enter it. And as you can see, here at the file manager I can show you that SD card appeared, which is the proof that SD card is also read. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.